Hey Steven. So this is you guys' Facebook page. One thing I noticed right off the bat, I clicked here for your website. I can't reach your website. So I'm not sure what the problem exactly is. I'd have to, do more investigating and figure it out. Uh, but if the link doesn't work or um, your website might be down or something. There's something going on. I guess I didn't try this, but that didn't work either. So it's something you probably want to fix if you want to get people to your website. Um, Going to Google, typing in metal roofing, Scranton, coming down. First would be Google Ads here. Then you got the GMB. Then you got the organic ranking. This guy's Facebook page is coming up for some reason, but grabbing this guy, looking at his website. He doesn't have much content. He has 301 words of content on there. So on your website, definitely have more than that. I can't see how much you have on your website. Google loves content. The more content you have, the better. It'll help Google find keywords as well as it'll help your ranking. Another thing is when you save these images, I don't know what yours are saved as, but you want them to be saved as keywords. This guy doesn't do it great, so you can have an advantage over him. Google, it can't see the photos, but it can see what they are saved as, and it can give you a keyword for that. It's a missed opportunity if you don't do that. Next, I plugged in the Ahrefs. I was able to do that. You have a 4UR, a DR.9, 2 backlinks, 1 referring domain, 0 keywords, and 0 traffic a month. So, it doesn't look like you've done much for. You probably don't have much content since you can't see any keywords on there. Google hasn't found either that or you're new. But I mean, you've had backlinks since August 2019. You had 0 in December, so this might be a new website, which would explain that. I can see what backlinks you have. Yeah, from this. This must have been your old. Let's see, merge roofing. I don't know. I don't know how this is linking back to you. You must have owned this, and I don't know, but it's linking back to you. Anyways, let's plug in this guy. See what he's got. He's got URF24, DR.8. So he's got some spammy backlinks because his DR score is pretty low. He's got 435 backlinks, 65 referring domains, 47 organic keywords, 80 traffic a month. I can come here and see what keywords he's got. Backlinks. You don't want not all backlinks are created equal. You want to go after high DR, high UR scores. You don't want to get spammy ones that are in the single digits. Google can tell it's smart and knows what looks spammy and what doesn't and what it trusts. The more it trusts a site, the more power it's going to give you. Also, you want it to be relevant to your industry. You don't want something like fast food linking back to you. You want something in the construction industry linking back to you. So these are directories, these top ones. Let's see what this is. I think it's a directory too. Yep, it is. So you could go here and you could sign up probably and add yourself and get that backlink. Maybe come down here and try to find other ones he has. This one's not all that great of a backlink, and it doesn't even show. So yeah, he doesn't have too good of backlinks. So you could beat him there. You can go check out other competitors, other cities, and find people that have better backlinks. Backlinks you can get are blogs, blog commenting, guest posts, sponsors, news articles, citation directories. There's a whole bunch of them out there. And basically anything that'll link back to you. Again, you want to make sure you stay away from spammy ones. You want to get ones that are relevant to your industry. Let's go check out the keywords this guy's got. So obviously he gets himself. let's see. Metal roofing, Pennsylvania is 100 volume, 21 KD. The higher the KD, the harder it is to rank for. The lower, the easier it is. So this would be a little bit more difficult to rank for. It's not terrible, but 21's kind of high, and you got 100 volume. So 100 people a month search that. And obviously that's just like all of Pennsylvania. It's not city specific. So, I like to go after city specific ones, like this roofing, Scranton, PA, Pennsylvania, 60 and 1. So that's very easy to rank for. Obviously, this isn't, it's not specifically towards metal roofing, and it probably isn't commercial roofing. It's probably residential, but you can, so you're gonna have probably people that have shingle roofs call you. I don't know. Maybe you can talk them into a metal roof, or maybe you do shingles. I didn't see any pictures with shingles on your Facebook page, so you did do AF shingles. I saw a picture of that. So I guess you might you can talk them into that. You could you can get some traffic from there, but I'm not sure how much of that you want. Metal roofing. There's another metal roofing one, but it's Pennsylvania, the whole state. There's another one right there. We could go check out Philadelphia. We could go check out other places. There's Pittsburgh, but I think you're over in the Scranton area. I wasn't able to see exactly the location, but going off your area code and everything I could figure out, I thought you were closer to this city. But we can go check out all kinds of other cities as well and find the best keywords that you want. Here's roofing contractors, Scranton, PA, 60 and 1. But yeah, and I'm not seeing too much here, specifically in the metal roofing keywords, but I'm sure there's some in the bigger cities. Next thing would be the GMB. Going here, grabbing this guy. If you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do. You want to make sure you fill it out 100%. You don't want to skip steps. Then you want to add as many photos as you can. The more photos you have, the better. The content for your GMB is the photos. And then you want to get citations. Citations are just directories. You want to make sure you have the same name on your GMB as on the directory. Your phone number is the same, and your location's the same. This guy, that was him. He has 34 citations. He also has, you can get social media citations or profiles, like Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter. There's a whole bunch of them out there. YouTube. You can get directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, BBB, and all these ones. You can copy this guy's. You can go after other ones. Copy other guys. You can go Google for them. It's pretty easy to do. It just takes time. It's time consuming, but it's definitely something you can do and help rank your GMB. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching. I would appreciate feedback on this video. If you want, we can talk more as well. Hope you have a good rest of the day. Thanks for watching.